Hi, my name's David. Wanted to talk a little bit about network neutrality. Very important issue that's starting to get a lot more coverage, but still not very well understood. We're going to use a restaurant analogy to break it a little more simple. Here you got the chef in the kitchen. Here you got the waiter who's bringing the food to you, the customer. In this analogy, here in the kitchen, these are the servers that store all the web pages you access. Here, the waiter, he's your internet service provider, or ISP. That's like Comcast, RCN, Verizon. It's the service that brings information from the server to you. And here, the customer is obviously you. Now, in this analogy, if this was non-network neutral, a large corporation, let's say the beef lobby, could come in and pay the restaurant $1 million to serve beef products, hamburgers, faster than any other food. So, as soon as the chef cooks it up, any other food would sit on the pass longer, while hamburgers would be brought straight to the table. This would incentivize people to eat more beef, but it would put all the other foods at a disadvantage. Let's say the asparagus lobby is not going to have as much money, and any dishes based out with that just aren't going to get to your table as fast, and people are going to start ordering more beef. Now, in the real world, what's going to happen is big companies will pay your ISP to make their page load faster than any of the other ones. The little guy would be disenfranchised. The pages aren't going to load as fast, perhaps even to the point where you get discouraged and you're not going to use that anymore. And that's network neutrality at its core. It's whether or not there should be any artificial barriers from information getting from the servers, where the information resides and the information owner is, to you, the consumer. ISPs have to be there. The real question is whether or not they can erect toll booths along the way and get money to try to speed pages faster than others.